Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Orcs23 here, and we are back with Curly Animal. If you watched my videos like a fair few months ago, I done a video with him, which was if we win the game, I will gift you the battle pass. We came third, and he invited me to a party today, so I thought, why not? Let's give it another go. Yeah, he doesn't have this battle pass, as you can see. Stop dancing so I can do my intro, thank you very much. But yeah guys, before we go into this game, make sure you drop a like, comment and subscribe, and comment down below if you want to have a chance to win the battle pass, you know. Maybe I'll do another one when I hit 140 subscribers, so go subscribe, go share it with all your friends.
Sure. I think there's another one over here. Yeah, there's a chest right here.
Yo! Kids right here, bro. Oh, for fuck's sake. Of course you get the kill.
Yeah.
I made him finish you, bro. Wait.
One more.
Here, buddy!
One more. Oh. Run. There's another guy.
We're chilling.
My guy's drinking minis like I don't have any health.
My man's about to...
Blue pistol for the win!
Oh shit, bro. More kids.
Yeah, you didn't know.
No, I didn't know. Right. Do not edit this way, because there's some fucking idiot.
Hold up, wait, man. Just so I know it's infantry. You get me, bro.
Wait, sure.
Nice.
Oh.
I need...
People over here, 2 people over here.
Oh Jesus!
Oh my, yo, I've dropped your meg here.
Check. Someone's good.
Bro, oh my god, they're insane. Nah, it's fine, bro. I'm gonna give you another chance. I'm gonna give you another chance.
You don't know how many seconds I had on my med kit.
Just ready up.
Just up, there's a guy.
Oh, yeah. Or like what? Oh no, good.
Wait, take this green AR because obviously you're killed.
Nah,
So.
it's cool.
Well, I need the ammo.
Half due
Thank
ammo,
you, brother.
bro. I can't drop it anymore.
Oh, I have no map. Knocked the number.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck's sake, come on, bro.
Oh!
Damn it.
That's the worst loot I've ever got. The worst loot.
Play safe.
As I get.
I've got fucking... What is my fucking life?
Is it?
Lucky me in this. Yo, watch out, bro, watch out. Bro,
This guy's low, he's really low. He's killed. He's really low.
Bro, what is low to you? What the fuck is low?
I need so low.
Oh my. Ah!
Nah, you're gonna have 100.
Oh my god, I killed him. Oh my god. I almost died to a fucking zombie though. Bro, I've made it.
Finally. Did you kill them? What? There's one point in there. What? What was that lag then? Oh, you know what, fuck it, I don't care. Ollie, you good?
Yeah, I am.
Ollie.
I was talking. I was talking. I was muted though. I don't know how long I was muted for.
Stupid!
I just want to let you know.
Yeah, obviously. And if we can't get this, then let's try it. Oh, and there's someone with a sniper.
I see a shot.
There's a guy coming, behind.
Alright. Oh my god, I'm insane.
One more.
Insane.
Quick. One more.
Oh my god. Bro,
Just a pistol.
what do
He's
you
a
mean?
bot. He's a bot.
Bro, there's nothing I can do though, cause oh my fucking god.
Wait, what was that guy
No, because I killed them other two, and that was already hard because they were good players. Then this kid, I'm literally less than 10 HP, and all he has to do is hit me once. There's nothing special about it. Ah, fuck's sake.